SX Antivirus Kit is a collection of multiple software solutions that are created to deal with various security issues in a simple and straightforward way. The pack contains Auto-Run File Remover, Chrome Download Unblocker, Chrome Malware Alert Blocker, Firefox Download Unblocker, Hidden File Finder, NetShare Monitor, Remote DLL, Spy BHO Remover, Spy DLL Remover, Stream Armor, Virus Total Scanner, Windows Auto-Run Disable, Windows Service Manager, Windows USB Blocker, all bundled into one installer. SX Antivirus Kit provides a generous number of tools which you can use together to perform a complete system sweep for some widespread threats that exist today. With them you are able to check for abnormalities in exe files, remove spy BHOs and DLLs and others. Each of these tools displays a comprehensive and user-friendly interface which makes the entire pack well suited for just about anyone. They are purpose-oriented applications that stay focused on the task for which they were created, and because of this you won't waste time while using them. SX Antivirus Kit supplies a series of tools which help you close up various weak points in your system's defense which can lead to virus infection. An example for them are USB ports which connect your computer to external storage devices. In most cases, auto-run files which are loaded when a device is connected carry with them viruses that make their way into PC and start trouble. SX Antivirus Kit offers you two simple and practical solutions for this problem. One allows you to completely block USB ports along with CD, DVD and network drives, ensuring that there are no external leaks. Since auto-run files aren't used only with external drives, SX Antivirus Kit comes with a tool that enables you to also disable auto-run files that are associated with software which has been installed from your hard drive. To wrap it up, the tools which SX Antivirus Kit offers don't excel in looks, but they make it up in ease of use and efficiency, so it's a decent solution for some security issues that you might encounter. See you next video, and now some music.